Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Tips to make your kids sleep fast. As children grow up, all parents know that putting them to sleep is a difficult task. As bedtime approaches, their level of activity increases. So, to end your misery, we have some useful tips that will help you put your child to sleep easily. 1. Set a routine. Get your child used to a routine where he can feel sleepy and not put up any resistance. For example, dinner, then homework, followed by a glass of milk, and finally going to bed. 2. Create a good sleep environment. Studies have shown that the surroundings of a child play a big role in determining sleep. Some include reduced noise levels, minimal lighting, and optimum temperature. Unless your child is scared of the dark, there is no harm in turning off the lights, as it can affect his ability to sleep quickly. 3. Bedtime stories. Studies have shown that reading bedtime stories and incorporating the same routine has improved sleep for children below 6 years. For those who are working, you can make a voice recording to narrate the story. 4. No electronic gadgets before bedtime. Studies show that the light emitted from computer screens, mobiles, and televisions inhibits the production of melatonin, a hormone produced by the pineal gland and helps induce sleep. Your child will be stubborn, but you will have to be a little strict and prevent the use of gadgets if you want him to have a sound sleep. 5. Proper diet. Avoid letting your child indulge in sugary treats and desserts during dinner as it can affect sleep. Instead, bananas can be eaten as they contain tryptophan, which is known to affect insomnia positively. 6. Make bedtime fun. Your child can have a favorite toy that he can hug only during sleep time. This will be a motivating factor to go to bed early. 7. Communication. Anxiety has been known to cause sleep deprivation, and if your child is having difficulty sleeping, this could be it. Talk to your child about school or anything else that you suspect may be affecting him. Talking in itself is helpful and may lead to better sleep even if a solution is not available. 8. Waking schedule. If you allow your child to get up late in the morning, he will be in a rush to reach school. Therefore, try waking him earlier during the day, and you'll see him sleep much earlier than usual. Sleep is vital for brain development, and if your child sleeps on time and has a sound sleep, his brain stays active throughout the day. As your child needs 10 to 13 hours of sleep every day, these tips should help get the desired effect.